Hi, this is Aquila Maddox, inspirationalist with Belief LLC. I'm here to inspire a little bit of happiness. Hopefully, these words will encourage you to maintain a healthy and a happy mindset. Did you know that your emotions are connected to your thoughts? And that on the inside, you have what I would call the internal governor, or otherwise known as the Holy Spirit. Now, what happens is there's a time where we go out to achieve something, we set a goal, we want to pursue a job, go on an interview, take a trip, or whatever it is that we may want to do. And then all of a sudden these thoughts enter our mind that says, we are not able to do it, you're not sufficient, you're not good enough, you're not qualified, you don't have enough money. Why would you do that? Well, I want you to know sometimes people say, well, I just want to follow my feelings. I want to follow my instincts. Well, I encourage you to pay more attention and very closely to your thoughts, because oftentimes your thoughts and your emotions, which are connected, will always talk you out of doing something that is definitely uncomfortable or even different than what you've already done. But there's something on the inside that may say, you know what, you can do it, you can achieve it. That's the voice I want you to listen to. And guess what? It leads to happiness. Again, this is Aquila of Belief LLC, inspirationalist, inspiring you to take ownership of your happiness. For more inspiration, tune in to www.beliefllc.com, and I hope to see you on the other side of happy.